Guys, it's my video retelling about the Tex Nature's perfect killing machine about crocodiles. Let's start. The Australian crocodile is the largest crocodile in the world, and it can grow up to 7 meters long, and the biggest can weigh up to 1,000 kilos. It has only two muscles to open its mouth and 40 to close it. What makes crocodiles so dangerous is that they can attack incredibly quickly, and they take their victims under the water to drown them. They usually attack in the water, but they can come out of a river and attack people or animals, and they can run on land at 17 kilometers per hour. And every year in Australia there are crocodile attacks on humans. 2 years ago, a 24-year-old German tourist died when she went for a swim in a lake. And although there were signs warning people that there might be crocodiles, the girl and her friends decided to have a midnight swimming. Crazy people. And next morning her body was found, and near it was a 4-meter crocodile. And last month two Australian guys watched in horror as their friend was killed by a crocodile while they were washing their mountain bikes in a river. And they climbed a tree and stayed there for 22 hours while the crocodile waited them below. But you can survive a crocodile attack. For example, last year a 19-year-old boy was saved from crocodile when his aunt hit it on the nose. His aunt said, "I hit it and I shouted help," and the crocodile suddenly opened its mouth and her nephew escaped. Yes, very lucky boy, and his aunt is good aunt. That's all, guys. Bye.